InDesign Page Builder has been created to help art workers load images and text automatically from brief to an InDesign document in seconds. The process begins by adding the brief, leader list, or product information into the Excel document. Once complete, click on the disk icon to generate the data into a usable format. Save the document into the same folder as the assets in CSV format. Close the CSV file. Open the InDesign template. Relink the template to the newly created CSV file. Select the Data Merge menu. Create a merged document. Images and text will appear on each page of the document. You're now ready to start the creative process. The process can be used with Excel Desktop and InDesign CS5 onwards. Both files are free to download and use.